Hello, I'm Dr. Vijay Deshmukh, founder of Smilex. I'm practicing implants for more than 30 years. This question has been asked by one of our patients. He asked, I'm on blood diluting medicines for 3, 4, 5 years and I want dental implants. How is it safe to stop my blood diluting medicines? So typically, we see a majority of our senior citizens, they are on blood diluting agents. Majority of them. It's very common. Patients are taking aspirin for safety of their heart and their cardiovascular system. So we have a very organized schedule for such patients. Such patients, we ask the patient's physician the detailed report why the patient is under the use of Ecosprin and whatever blood diluting medicines latest patient is having. And if the patient is not in a high risk, whether the blood diluting can be stopped. So most of the time in most of the patient, blood diluting medicines can be stopped for a few days. So typically if we schedule the implant patients, we stop the blood diluting medicines 3 to 5 days on the recommendation of the patient's physician. So it is very important patient's physician is in also loop that we are doing such and such procedure, and he evaluate patient's risk profile. They will do ECG sometimes before undergoing the patient's dental implants, full mouth implants or something like that. And when they thoroughly see, they feel that the patient has a very good safety to undergo dental implants under local anesthesia. They give us a written consent, they give us a fitness to undertake the dental implants, and then we do dental implants at Smilex. After surgery, then patients can restart their blood diluting tablets, medicines after 24 hours most of the time, sometimes 48 hours. If the surgery is extensive, we do recommend patient to not take blood diluting for 2 days or so. So it is very completely safe that if you are under blood diluting medicine, still you can have dental implants, and it is safer under the definitely guidance of your physician. We can do this treatment very, very safely. So if you like Smilex videos, please like and subscribe to us. Thank you for watching Smilex.